Hi guys! Today, we're going to look at the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills available at very cheap price on the market. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Please don't skip this video. If you are new here, then like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. For watching new latest videos, then press the bell icon of that channel. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Under Desk Treadmills. Number 5. Goplus 2-in-1 Under Desk. Goplus 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill performs 2 modes to meet your different sports needs. In contrast, the speed of 112 makes it suitable for running. It has a 2.25 horsepower quiet motor and a noise reduction system that lets you run or walk along without making a noise. Additionally, it comes with a LED touchscreen. It helps you monitor exercise data, including time, speed, distance, and calories. Even it also has a 5-layer non-slip running belt in it, which protects your knee against any injury. Moreover, Goplus 2-in-1 Treadmill has a built-in Bluetooth feature, so you can easily connect it with your mobile phone and enjoy music while you exercise. A phone holder is also attached to it, allowing you to make video calls or watch videos during workouts easily. But the best features of Goplus 2-in-1 Treadmill are its safety features. It has a remote control that can help you stop the machine instantly if you feel any inconvenience while exercising. It is also pre-assembled, so you only have to take it out, attach the handlebars, and plug it into the switch when you use it. It comes with a remote control. It is space-saving. It has a phone holder. It is affordable. There is no warranty, and it does not show your pulse rate during exercise. Features: it has adjustable speeds for both jogging and running. The speed of 114 makes it comfortable for jogging. Furthermore, it is foldable. You can move it anywhere because of its built-in wheels. Overall, it is an easy-to-use machine, even if you are using it for the first time. Number 4. Beachey Folding Treadmill Under Desk. Beachey Folding Treadmill Machine is a jogging and running machine in one. If you fold the riser, you can jog on with its speed of 0.54 miles per hour, faster than the Goplus treadmill. However, if you raise the handrail, you enter its running mode and experience its speed of 0.57.5 miles per hour. It is made of a strong steel frame and contains a 2.25 horsepower motor. Due to this motor, this treadmill does not make any disturbing noise. Moreover, it has a 7-layers belt design that helps in protecting your knees from injury. You can also connect your mobile phone through the built-in Bluetooth, so you can enjoy music while you exercise. Thanks to its foldable design that makes it convenient and handy. It is easy to assemble. It provides great value for the price. It is a space-saving machine, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. It does not monitor your heart rate. Features: you cannot adjust its slope for a more intense workout. Beachey Folding Treadmill is overall an amazing machine with its exciting features. There is an LED screen attached to it too. This can monitor your steps, speed, and time. Lastly, this treadmill is easy to store. Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. Number 3. Rhythm Fun Treadmill Under Desk. With its 18 inches wide and 45 inches long running belt, Rhythm Fun Treadmill must be one of the most comfortable under-desk treadmills in the market. It also has a maximum capacity of 220 pounds and a maximum speed of 12 This treadmill is designed with a durable steel frame made up of Rhythm FUN AIR shock reduction and noise reduction system. Further, it covers only 0.5 square meters of space. So, if you need a treadmill that will not take up most of your living room or office, this is a good pick. You can also place it in a closet or under a bed and sofa. It has a 7-level elastic running platform made of honeycomb running board with silicone structure. It comes with a flexible belt and aluminum alloy that provide excellent durability. This feature helps you avoid any damage to your knees while running. It also features a simple and small circular LED screen that can monitor your calories, speed, and time. Moreover, you don't need to assemble a Rhythm Fun treadmill. It is made up of high-quality material. All you have to do is take this machine out of the box and plug it in. It doesn't have any heartbeat monitoring system. You can move it anywhere you want according to your space. Finally, Rhythm Fun Treadmill offers two safety options. Features: one is the emergency shut button, and the other is the safety key. Both can stop the running machine instantly if needed. It offers a good 10 years frame warranty. And meanwhile, it has a luxury design at an economical price. There's no option to adjust the intensity of the workout. Number 2. OppsDecor Under Desk. Use OppsDecor for walking or running. All you have to do is adjust the handrail. With the handrail down, you can walk on it up to 2.5 miles per hour. But if you raise its handrail, its speed will increase to 7.5 miles per hour, allowing you to run on it. This treadmill has a 2.25 HP vibration-free motor that produces no noise. It also comes with an LED screen that shows you the complete record of time, speed, and calories burned. Moreover, it has wheels that allow you to take it to any place without hassle. It is built with a robust steel frame and a multi-layer belt, which helps you run safely while avoiding injuries. Another accessory it comes with is a remote control that you can use to adjust the speed. It also has a safety key, which puts the machine to a stop in an emergency. Lastly, it includes a phone holder, so you can enjoy songs or watch movies during a workout. It is easy to assemble. Its frame is durable. It comes with a 2-year warranty. Even it has LED to monitor metabolic responses. However, it is a little expensive. Features: it does not have any warm-up system. Nevertheless, the OppsDecor Under Desk Treadmill is a full package. When folded, it only occupies a small space. It contains multiple features that are easy to use. OppsDecor Under Desk Treadmill is easily foldable. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. ANCHEER Under Desk. ANCHEER Under Desk Treadmill is an innovative 2-in-1 treadmill that will suit your needs. Its unique design and super fast speed make it better than the other machines. It is built with high-quality steel, making it durable and long-lasting. It also comes with a power 2.5 horsepower motor and a multi-layer shield design that reduces noise while you use it. ANCHEER includes a built-in LCD screen that shows your data while exercising. It takes note of your time, pulse, distance, and calories burned. Along with this LCD is a mobile holder attached, so you can watch movies or chat with your friends while exercising. ANCHEER had passed the American Society for Testing and Materials Standard Test. It is also SGS certified. Its safety key and shutdown button will protect you during workouts. If you feel any inconvenience while exercising, you can use these features and the machine will stop immediately. It has a multi-layer smooth running surface. It comes with a strong multi-grade. It does not require any assembly. You can monitor your pulse rate while exercising. However, it is expensive. Features: the options to adjust the speed are limited. Although ANCHEER is somehow more expensive than other treadmills, it is worth your investment. It meets the industry's safety standards. Hence, it is made with quality materials that ensure its durability and comfort. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helped you out in any way, then please hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe the button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.